So now let's see how we can work around with Lume versus Sat curves inside of Davinci Resolve. That is luminance versus saturation curve. If I were to go around over here, then you'll be able to see the different curves. So I'm just going to go around and click on this little icon right here. And here you can see Lume versus Sat is an option. So here, based on the luminance, you can see that there are different brightness levels. So if I were to go around and click over here, then you can see that it takes the sample of that particular brightness level. And if I were to decrease out the saturation, you can see that that particular brightness level areas in the overall video, the brightness gets decreased for it. You can also go around and increase out the range, as you can see, just like this. You can pull this out and this is what you have. You can go around, click, and then you can work around with the brightness over here, just like this, as you can see. You can go around over here on the side as well, take this, and this is what you have. You can go around, decrease out the saturation or increase out the saturation for different brightness levels that there may be. You can go for the dark area right here, decrease out the saturation or increase out the saturation for those areas. And that is what you can do with Lume versus Sat, that is luminance versus saturation curves inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.